Hi guys, good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance. Thank you so much for joining Catherine and I again on another Mommy and Me DIY. So we saw this window on a post from Pier 1 and was inspired to recreate it. We wanted to share with you how you can do this by using a Dollar Tree foam board and make it look just as beautiful as the one in Pier 1. Now, Catherine painted this beautiful painting, and I will put that link down below so that you can check it out. All right, guys, let's follow what Catherine is doing here. She is freehanding according to the picture, and I can't wait for you to see how it turned out. Now, I must tell you, I absolutely love the way that this window turned out. Catherine did a fantastic job. I really love it. Now we want to take an X-Acto knife or razor and trace out the drawing. Then you will have the window we are looking for. Okay guys, I must tell you it is beautiful. Now you can double this if you'd like. The possibility is endless. We're gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna take it out, spray paint it, and share with you how it turned out. Okay guys, I hope you like the way it turned out. If you do, give me a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time, your comment, and your support. If you're not a subscriber, I hope that you'll go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our family.
Hello.
Hi Kat. How do you feel about this drawing, how it turned out?
I think it ended up pretty good and it looks really pretty.
Yeah. I'm very happy with it. Thank you so much for drawing it. I think it serves the purpose. I really like it. All right, I'll see you.
Bye.
Bye.